Hey class, today I'm going to be covering question 7. In what year did the Mississippi Supreme Court first hold that children can sue their parents for injuries sustained in a car wreck? So I went to Westlaw and I typed in, children in the same sentence as parents, but in the same sentence as sue, and it pulled me up to this case, Glasscox by and through Denton v. Glasscox. And it states that we hold that the judicially created doctrine of parental immunity has outlived its purpose and adopt the majority view abrogating the principle as it applies to the negligent operation of a motor vehicle. And this opinion took place in 1992. So I believe that the answer is 1992, when the Supreme Court held that children can sue their parents. Okay, thank you.